Today we're checking out the new JBL Flip 7, which now has AI sound boost, and we're going to see how it compares to the JBL Flip 6. I paid $149 for this one, but I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. It also has a new clip lock system, giving you a little more flexibility on how you can attach the speaker to different things. I'm kind of sad they got rid of the gray color, but I think red looks pretty good. You can see one of the biggest differences in the design is with the controls, just slightly different, but still pretty similar. Looks like it's got a small imperfection there by the buttons. Not really the first thing you want to see when getting a new speaker. You've still got the volume controls, play and pause. I kind of like this new setup for the buttons. Battery life has improved from 12 hours to 14, plus an extra 2 hours with Playtime Boost to get up to 16 hours. But keep in mind, Playtime Boost does not sound that great compared to how it normally sounds. It also has 25 watts for the woofer and a 10 watt tweeter for a total of 35 watts. I feel like the ends are a little bit better now, so it stands up a little more straight. It also has Bluetooth 5.4 instead of 5.1. It's also now IP68, dust and water resistant. It also has lossless audio playback through the USB-C port. Seems simple enough to switch out the strap for the clip. Of course, it works with the JBL portable app as well, so you can fine-tune things a little bit more and get firmware updates. Or of course, you could do custom as well. You can see there's a software update. You've got Playtime Boost, stereo group, product information. You can also pair this with another JBL speaker through Auracast. The downside is you can't pair the JBL Flip 7 to the previous JBL Flip 6. As far as dimensions go, you can see it's pretty much identical to the JBL Flip 6. Looks like the design is updated just slightly on the passive radiators. Sounds like the same startup sound. Looks like it pops right up on my phone, so that's a good thing. Of course, you can also add it through the JBL portable app. If you double tap the play button, it goes to the next track. I'm going to compare this back to back to the JBL Flip 6. So here's a quick sample of each to see if you can hear the difference.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
I don't know if you could tell from those samples, but the JBL Flip 7 actually sounds really good. I feel like it has a tad better bass, maybe just a slight better sound to it than the JBL Flip 6, but considering the price difference, I know the Flip 6 was on sale for almost half of what the new Flip 7 is. So I would say if you already have the Flip 6, I can't really see upgrading to the Flip 7. Even though the Flip 7 does feel like a nice upgrade, I would say the increased battery life might be one reason to upgrade. But when it comes to sound quality, you can tell a little bit of difference at lower volumes. But when you have them turned all the way up, they're so close that I bet most people wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Even when you play these back to back, it's really that close, especially at max volume. But of course, it's going to come down to personal preference. So if it was me, I would still probably go with the Flip 6.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.